Don't, you're gross. You're gonna choke.
Look, I'm not gonna lick you.
Look, I don't trust you.
I am gonna kiss you.
I don't want any.
Why? Why?
My stomach hurts. Oh, that's a nice kiss. Thank you. Don't lick me, Eva. You better not. Don't.
What?
Oh my God. I'm like delirious. Oh, sleepy time. Oh God, we laughed hard, huh? Oh.
Eva, say ring. Look at me and say it.
Chicken wing.
No, ring.
Chicken
Ring.
Now look at
Chicken
me.
wing. Chicken wing.
No, say ring.
Chicken
Ring.
wing. Chicken
You don't fly
wing.
away.
What?
What?
I give a kiss.
Why? Eva, I don't trust you. Alright, thank you.
I'm gonna give you a kiss.
Oh my God, turn that thing off.
Yeah, turn it off.
Yeah. Turn. Did you see her face?
I got you.
Oh my God.
I got your other side of your
Alright,
face.
turn it. Look
All
at
right,
me.
bink.
Turn it off.
It's off.
Oh my God. Oh, that's funny.
Chicken wing. I'm gonna kiss you.
I don't trust you. You gonna give me a kiss?
Yeah.
Alright, here you go. Okay, give me a kiss.
I wanna give you a kiss and a kiss so you don't get used to it.
Okay. Turn that off. Oh my God.
I just wanna
I know.
I don't wanna kiss you.
You gotta see her face. Okay.
Because then I get used to it.
Okay. Alright, give me a kiss.
I licked her.
I knew it. Oh, you're disgusting.
How come you know I didn't lick you?
Because I know you.
Because you're gross.
Oh, you're gross.
I
I don't want any more kisses.
I'm not gonna lick you.
No, I don't believe you.
Eva.